M&Ms? Well, I certainly do. So today I'm going to be doing a video of what happens when you put M&Ms in water. So let's try this. Okay, so now I'm ready to pour in some of my M&Ms. Take a whole lot. That's it. Maybe a bit more. Okay. So we've poured in our M&Ms. Now we have to pour in our water. I'm not going to fill them too much. Okay, so now we have to make a hypothesis. My hypothesis is that all the colors of the M&Ms will bleed into the water, and then all of the M&Ms will turn white. So what's your hypothesis? It's only been a minute and look at this, like the blue has spread and it's completely white. And the oranges are here, one orange here. Oh, I feel bad for the orange. It's like, oh. These greens are together. Oh, that's a yellow. That's a yellow, right? Yeah, that's a yellow. Oh my God! Oh my God! Do you see what's happening? The M's are separating. See, there's an M right here, and it's been separated from whichever. And this is sticking on a bit. This crumpled a bit, and like this is also crumpled. And this one looks like it's staying on, but this one got crumpled. This one right here. I don't know if that's an M there. That one. Guys, this is something really cool. First, the M&Ms were colorful. Then they changed to white, and now they're brown. And the M's have peeled off. Look at that. Do you know why this happens? I'll tell you why. The color of the M&M is basically the glue. So, when the color of the M&M comes off, the M falls off with it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was a cool experiment, and I hope you guys will do lots of experiments at school, at home too. I love M&M.